Samarth. Thank you so much for joining me on the telecast and shifting our focus. Now, Bhopal court has rejected the anticipatory bail plea of lawyer Samarth Singh, accused of physically and mentally abusing his late wife Twisha Sharma. Police also announced a reward of rupees 10,000 for information leading to the arrest of Samarth Singh, who remains absconding in the case. Twisha Sharma, who was 33, a resident of Noida, had married Bhopal-based lawyer Samarth Singh in December 2025. She died on May 12 at her marital home in Bhopal, and her family has alleged that she faced sustained mental harassment and dowry-related abuse from her husband and in-laws. The application reportedly described Twisha as quote, drug addict undergoing psychiatric treatment as well, unquote. And the anticipatory bail application filed by Samarth Singh's mother has also appeared before the district court, alleged that Twisha was addicted to drugs and experienced irritability and trembling hands when she did not have access to narcotic substances. And the application also claimed that she had been undergoing psychiatric treatment and counseling. Now, Twisha's father, has issued a public statement as well. And now I'll be taking you through exactly this press release by her father, the late Twisha Sharma, and it is dated 19th May as well. And this is the copy. I would like my PCR crew to show what exactly is written in in terms of this press note by her father. And in that, he has written that with a shattered heart, what we are getting to know is that I'll be taking you through exactly this copy. First of all, when we talk about the fact that he has written this after his daughter passed away, and with a shattered heart, unbearable pain and an unending sense of loss, I, the father of late Twisha Sharma, am constrained to issue this public statement in the larger interest of justice, fairness and protection of the dignity of my deceased daughter, who is no longer alive to defend herself against the continuous public attacks and narratives being circulated by the accused side. From the very first day, our family has consistently expressed apprehension before the authorities, and the accused persons connected with the Giribala Singh family are highly influential and capable of exerting pressure upon the system, public opinion and investigation machinery. Unfortunately, subsequent events have only strengthened these fears, and during the course of our independent inquiry and examination of judicial records, we have come across a certified judgment passed by the Court of 2nd Additional District Judge Dr. Ambedkar Nagar, District Indore, in case number RCS relating to the dissolution of marriage between squadron leader Samarth Singh and his former wife Divya Singh by mutual consent. And the said judgment records that the marriage had irretrievably broken down within a few years, and that the parties had been living separately for a considerable period, and that a financial settlement of rupees 25 lakhs was arrived at before dissolution of marriage. A copy of that said judgment is being annexed only with this press note for public record and transparency. While we are conscious that matrimonial disputes may arise in any family, and we do not intend to interfere with the privacy of any individual, the repeated emergence of serious matrimonial discord, emotional trauma and allegations concerning women associated with the same family cannot be ignored altogether. While examining the broader surrounding circumstances connected with the tragic death of our daughter Twisha Sharma, what is causing us even greater agony is the continuous conduct of accused Giribala Singh, who is repeatedly appearing before media platforms and granting interviews during the pendency of investigation. Through such public statements, direct and indirect attempts are allegedly being made to misalign, discredit and defame the deceased Twisha Sharma, despite the fact that she is no longer alive to explain the truth, defend her honor or place her version before society. A deceased daughter cannot return from the grave to answer allegations being publicly circulated against her. Such repeated media interventions by persons connected with the accused side during an active investigation are not merely insensitive and unethical, but raise serious legal concerns regarding interference with the administration of justice, influencing of witnesses, creation of prejudice in public mind, and attempts to divert attention from the core issues under investigation. It is a settled principle of criminal jurisprudence that investigation must remain free, fair, impartial and uninfluenced by external pressure, media trials or orchestrated public campaigns. Any attempt by accused persons or interested parties to shape public perception during pendency of investigation strikes at the very root of fair investigation guaranteed under law. Our family therefore respectfully calls upon the police administration, state authorities and competent investigating agencies to immediately take appropriate legal and administrative measures to ensure that the accused persons and their associates do not misuse media platforms to influence the ongoing investigation. The dignity, reputation and memory of deceased Twisha Sharma are protected against further public vilification and character assassination, and witnesses and investigating officials remain insulated from pressure, intimidation or influence. Investigation proceeds independently, transparently and strictly in accordance with law and evidence. No influential individual is permitted to misuse institutional, social, official connections to obstruct justice. Today, while our daughter lies silent forever, those against whom serious questions are being raised continue to publicly speak, defend themselves and shape narratives. This unequal situation is causing immense trauma to the grieving family and undermining public confidence in the fairness of the process. This press note is being issued solely in pursuit of truth, justice, transparency and preservation of the dignity of our deceased daughter. We continue to repose faith in the Constitution of India, the judiciary and investigating authorities, and sincerely hope that truth shall prevail without fear, favor, pressure or influence. So that is the press note that has been released by Twisha's father, and it's a very detailed point of view that has been released. And when we talk about that, we have seen that this in this press note that he has talked about the fact that the mother-in-law Giribala Singh, he has objected to the fact that she is appearing for interviews, and also allegations against his late daughter as well. Now joining me on the telecast is Chetan Seth. Chetan, what we have seen here is a press release by the father of late Twisha Sharma. What exactly in terms of this, what do you know, and also the statements that are being made by both the parties, and also shed more light when we talk about Samarth Singh, where are his whereabouts, where is manhunt currently on? चेतन, आप मेरी आवाज सुन सकते हैं?
देखिए, ट्विशा शर्मा के पिता के द्वारा 2 लेटर जारी किए गए हैं, एक प्रेस नोट जारी किया गया है और एक जो है एडवोकेट अपील जारी उनकी ओर से की गई है, जिसमें तमाम बातों का जिक्र है कि मीडिया ट्रायल से जो निष्पक्ष जांच है वो प्रभावित हो सकती है। इसके अलावा उनकी ओर से भी कहा गया कि बेटी अब आरोपों का जवाब देने के लिए जीवित नहीं है। आरोपी पक्ष पर मीडिया नैरेटिव बनाने का आरोप भी उनकी ओर से लगाया गया है। प्रभावशाली लोग हैं, इसलिए जो है जांच को प्रभावित कर सकते हैं। परिवार ने एक बार फिर जो है निष्पक्ष जांच की मांग उठाई है। साथ ही ये भी उन्होंने कहा है कि गवाहों और जांच अधिकारियों को दबाव से मुक्त रखा जाए। बेटी की भी एक गरिमा और प्रतिष्ठा की उसकी रक्षा हो, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से तमाम खबरें चल रही हैं, कवरेज के साथ साथ जो ससुराल पक्ष की ओर से आरोप लगाए गए हैं, उन तमाम चीजों से जो है बेटी की छवि भी खराब हो रही है। तो एक बात ये भी उनकी ओर से कही गई है, एक तरफा अभियान ना हो और न्याय प्रक्रिया की जो व्यवस्था है उस हिसाब से जो साफ तौर पर जो जनमत जो है प्रभावित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, जांच पर किसी प्रकार का बाहरी प्रभाव ना हो। इसके अलावा ये भी उनकी ओर से कहा गया कि परिवार ने प्रशासन से एक बार फिर निष्पक्ष जांच करने की हस्तक्षेप की है, सत्य न्याय प्रक्रिया के सामने आएगा, उनकी ओर से कहा गया। इसके अलावा प्रेस नोट पूरा जिसमें साथ ही जो समर सिंह के बड़े भाई सिद्धार्थ सिंह और भाभी दिव्या सिंह थी, उनके जो तलाक हुआ था उस तलाक का भी उल्लेख किया गया। उसमें 25 लाख रुपए का जो समझौता हुआ था उनके तलाक के दौरान, उसका भी जिक्र किया गया और लगातार इन तमाम बातों का वो जिक्र कर रहे हैं। दूसरा, उनकी ओर से एक जो इम्पोर्टेंट बड़ी अपील की गई है वकीलों के से, एडवोकेट से, कि मेरी बेटी की मौत संदिग्ध परिस्थितियों में हुई है। रिटायर्ड न्याय अधिकारी पर कई तरह के गंभीर आरोप हैं, उसके बावजूद भी जो है कार्रवाई नहीं हो रही। शरीर पर कई तरह की चोटें आई हैं, उनका भी दावा उनकी ओर से किया गया। इसके अलावा ये भी उनके बात कही गई कि जो डीएनए और फॉरेंसिक सैंपल है उसको सुरक्षित रखने की मांग की गई है। इसके अलावा एक महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट जिसमें उनकी ओर से जिक्र किया गया कि चुनिंदा चैट्स के आधार पर आरोपियों को जमानत मिलना ये बेहद गंभीर अपराध है। क्या प्रावधान क्या प्रभावशाली लोगों के लिए और आम लोगों के लिए अलग अलग कानून है। इसके अलावा एम्स दिल्ली से उनकी ओर से दूसरे पोस्टमार्टम की कराने की मांग की गई है। तो लगातार इस तरह की वो मांग कल से ही लगातार कर रहे हैं। जब कोर्ट में पूरा मामला पहुंचा था, उसमें सुनवाई जब हो रही थी कोर्ट में, लेकिन कोर्ट में एक महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट जो जजमेंट जज के द्वारा दिया गया था, उसमें एक बात का जिक्र किया गया था कि जब तक ये पूरे मामले की निष्पक्ष जांच नहीं हो जाती, जब तक कोई भी फैसला नहीं दिया जा सकता। और इसी के कारण जो है जमानत याचिका को खारिज किया गया था, जिसके
जी चेतन, हमारे साथ बने रहने के लिए शुक्रिया, बट वी हैव रन आउट ऑफ टाइम, बट दैट्स ऑल फॉर द बुलेटिन फॉर नाउ। विल स्लिप इनटू अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक।